Hey guys, this is my first video. So, I have good lighting. I don't know if it actually is good lighting, but let's put it right. Put this up here so it's not in the way. So I got some French fries. Be right back. I didn't find anything in there, but I'll talk with you guys. Right now I'm just eating a little snack. French fries, ketchup, and so I'm gonna be playing squishy play, like, you know, squishies.